Oh, hey, Steve Laffey, the Laffey Minute. Hey, we're buying some American-made clothes today, and it gets very difficult. I'm wearing an all-American clothing company. Great company, by the way. Everything's made in America. When you go there, you know it's made in America. Then I bought something at Gitman, which makes all their shirts. I'm trying to find some more dress shirts. I don't have enough for the show. You know, it looks like I'm wearing the same clothes every day. So then you've got this white shirt store. I bought some white shirts from the white shirt store. They say everything made in America. Then you get Todd Helton. I bought a blue shirt at Todd Helton. He makes everything in America. But I almost made the mistake. I went to Brooks Brothers. There's a website about Made in America. When you go there, it says Made in America. Then you hit dress shirts. I had 4 of them I was about to buy. I picked up the phone, and I called, and guess what? They were imported. I said to the lady, I said, what are you doing? I mean, why are you doing this? But they make it very hard. I'm sure Brooks Brothers makes some shirts in America, but not the ones I was buying. So no for you, Brooks Brothers, for now. By the way, what are you doing over here? You're the home environment state champion in 4-H right here, Audrey Laffey, trying to defend her state. You going to defend your title?
Hope so.
All right.
And I'm trying to help a friend with her Girl Scouts.
All right. See, it's like the 1850s here. Little House on the Prairie and Audrey Laffey. Thanks, everybody. Oh, I got to get something cooking in the oven. Be right back.